Look at this Lego brick. It seems simple, right? You use it to build castles, spaceships, and giant towers. And sometimes, you accidentally step on it in the middle of the night. Ouch! But before this brick ended up in your toy box, it went on an amazing adventure. It didn't start looking like this. In fact, it started as something completely different. Today on Children Knowledge Hub, we are going inside the factory to see how a Lego brick is born. Every single Lego brick starts its life as this. These little dots are called granules. They look like colorful sand or sprinkles. This is the raw DNA of a Lego brick. Trucks deliver huge amounts of these granules to the Lego factory, and they are stored in gigantic metal silos. There are different silos for different colors, red ones, blue ones, yellow ones. When the factory is ready to make bricks, giant vacuum cleaners suck the granules out of the silos and send them zooming through long pipes into the factory building. This is where the magic happens. The granules arrive at a machine called the molding machine. Think of this machine like a super-powered oven. It heats the tiny plastic granules up to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. That is way hotter than the oven you bake cookies in. At that heat, the solid plastic melts into a thick, hot, gooey paste. It looks almost like toothpaste. Then, the machine pushes this hot goo with massive pressure into metal molds. A mold is like a very detailed ice cube tray shaped exactly like Lego bricks. Squish. The plastic fills every tiny corner of the mold. If you took the brick out right now, it would be too gooey. It needs to cool down, fast. Cold water runs through the metal molds, freezing the plastic instantly in just a few seconds. This makes the brick hard, shiny, and perfectly shaped. Pop! The mold opens up, and the new bricks fall out onto a conveyor belt. It looks like a colorful river of bricks. They travel along the belt to meet the factory workers. But these aren't human workers, they are robots. These robots work day and night to organize the millions of bricks being made. The bricks are almost ready for you. But first, they have to be counted. Machines weigh the bricks to make sure the right amount goes into every box. They are dropped into plastic bags, and those bags are put into the colorful cardboard boxes you see in the store. Swoosh! The boxes are sealed shut and loaded onto trucks, trains, and ships to travel all around the world. And finally, the box ends up in your home. You open it up, and that tiny piece of plastic that started as a little granule is ready for you to build something amazing. Thanks for joining us on this factory tour. What is your favorite thing to build with Legos? Tell us down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Children Knowledge Hub for more amazing journeys. Bye for now.